Hey guys, welcome back to Mind Pump TV. I'm your host, Serene Wilkin, and today I'm going to show you how to use toe stretchers. These are great to find more connection to your feet overall because your feet are really your foundation. Let's get started. So what are these things? They're toe stretchers, and what's so great about them, especially this design, is that you can thread your toes in between. Now the purpose of this, once you have them on, is that you're going to be able to spread your toes wide and actually stretch your little muscles in between your toes. That's really useful for people with plantar fasciitis as well as people that have a bunion beginning. So to put them on, some of them are a little bit sticky and they have a different design, but this one's a bit easier. You're literally just going to thread these little gems between your toes. So it reminds you of getting a pedicure. But after a long day of work, let's say you're wearing modern footwear, ladies, we know this, your feet get rather tight. And maybe you've been walking around in heels, or you've been in meetings and walking on concrete, whichever it is, the feet don't get a lot of love. You can start wearing these 5 minutes a day because a lot of people can't quite tolerate a lot of stretch. They start to cramp in their feet, it becomes really uncomfortable. If you can just build on that day by day and even get up to like an hour, that's what I would suggest. You can use these while you guys watch a movie, while you're working at your desk at home. You can really come up with creative ways to use them. And once you get comfortable with them, there's a lot of great ways you can use them to kind of prime your feet before you do any mobility work for your toes. So another great point, just while using toe stretchers, is where the big toe is. The alignment of the big toe is very important for your gait, for your posture, and really just getting the tripod of the foot to undulate and use it properly with our walking and running, etc. With a big piece like this in between the big toe and the second toe, you get more stretch. So the muscle that lays underneath can be rather tight. That's going to allow that big toe to find a better alignment with the rest of the foot. And that can be specifically important for people that have a bunion starting. And that is a great way you can just sit back, use your toe stretchers, and just really feel a general stretch in that area, which is different for a lot of people. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This, again, is something new. Try it. It feels really good. I promise you, it's amazing for your feet, especially after a long day of work. If you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe below, and let me know what you think. Have a great day.